welcome to a short video that I probably just should not have filmed at all because it's going to be entirely too short. But I have not filmed an Ulta haul in a minute and I made a purchase and I want to talk about it. So the lipstick that I'm wearing now is part of what I picked up. I picked up quite a few lipsticks. This is all lipsticks. It's kind of ridiculous. But I picked up the Kkw Beauty 120 Fuchsia Flush Matte Lipstick. I have it on now with some ColourPop gloss. I feel like it's really matte and it's kind of pulling off a little patchy on my lips right now, but my lips are chapped and then the gloss kind of it kind of made things worse. So I'm not knocking the lipstick. I need to moisturize my lips a little bit better and I'll try that again. I also picked up 045 Chestnut Kiss Cream Lipstick. Let's look at it. Oh, I didn't show you my fuchsia one. I mean, I guess because it's on my lips. But it's purple. Very purple. Well, kind of. But it's cute. I love it. And the packaging is very, very sleek. Very cute. That was a mosquito. And for 045 Chestnut Kiss, oh, that is gorgeous. I don't know if my camera's picking it up. Oh, I'm excited to try that. And this is a cream one. Yeah. So that one will probably feather if I don't line my lips. My lips suck. I also picked up 125 Wild Berry, which is a matte. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous too. And the last Kkw Beauty lipstick that I picked up is the shade Crimson Touch. And it is a liquid lipstick. It's a Miracle Matte Lip. And I've never tried anything from Kkw Beauty except for today when I used the lipstick. So I'm really excited to try all those out. But I did pick up two more things. And, you know, I've never watched anything that's has to do with the Kardashians. I don't keep up with them. But I've never tried anything from Kylie or Kim's or any of their makeup brands. I've not tried. But Ulta saw your girl coming. They were like, she's looking for lipsticks. So these Kkw Beauty lipsticks were on sale for $4.50. And I was like, it's like $9 for two lipsticks. Okay. So I did it. I picked up Kkw Beauty Cream Lipstick in Nude 1.5. And see, the only reason I feel like I haven't necessarily bought anything from their brands is because they are very nude, everyday, natural things that I'm not. So that's the only reason. Like, I'm not knocking them. But that's why for $4.50 I was like, I'm going to try it. And this absolutely does look like it's going to be like the perfect nude lipstick. So I'm really excited to try it. It's really pretty. The packaging is so cute. I'm scared to touch it. I'm going to get fingerprints all over it and be like, oh, ew, gross. But that's a really pretty shade. And the other one that I picked up is called Cherry Pop. And I got it because it was red. Not even gonna lie. It's like, red, I have to have it. Like, I didn't just buy Gerard Cosmetics Ruby Slippers lipstick. But this is a cream lipstick as well. The packaging is about the same. The clear plastic packaging here. And that is really, actually, a really gorgeous red shade. I'm really excited. I want to swatch it, but I also don't want to ruin it. But yeah. So I know this was a super weird and random one. Which shade would you like to see? Should I try them on? Oh, that would probably be a bad idea because it takes me forever to line my lips. I don't know. Maybe I can do that in a TikTok and be like, testing out. See, I can't even get the little thing on TikTok to talk for me. You know, the creepy little robot voice that everybody hates that I'm just like, ew, why'd you change it? Yeah, can't get that to work. Does anybody know how to get that to work? I know it looked like I was just picking my ear, but this belly button ring that I have in my ear because my bar was irritating it, I'm just kind of like playing with it because it's like dangling. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to play with it. And I need to quit because my ear is quite bothered and I have no idea why. But anyway, do you know how to get the little thingy-mabob to talk on TikTok? Because I damn sure don't, and I wish that I knew how. So if you know and you wouldn't mind letting your girl know, please do. Alright, I'm going to end it now because I will just be a whole rambly mess. So yeah, I know this was weird, super short, and it was just lipsticks. But I get excited for lipsticks. I usually wear like the same one all the time. And I used to not. I used to wear such fun colors. And then the brand that I used is one that I just don't use. And I'm not going to talk about it anymore. So I'm like, I have no fun lipstick colors. So I'm just stuck being nude. So that's why I picked up some fun ones. Let me know what you'd like to see next down below. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you would like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I have all my social medias linked down below so you can keep up with me. I'm very active on Instagram. Sometimes I just like fall off for a whole day though because I have anxiety, and sometimes just the thought of getting on there and seeing just like messages in my inbox after I just clean them kind of stresses me out. So sometimes I'll ghost Instagram for a little while, but then I go back. So I like live there. And TikTok, the other day was like the first time in a hot minute that I didn't post every day, but I had been sick and did not have very much content created, and so I was just like, whatever, I'll take the day off from there. But yeah, I have all of that down below. Twitter as well. I'm very hit or miss with that, and my Facebook page is almost abandoned anyway. So, this is doing great promotion for myself, huh? But anyway, I am very active on Instagram, TikTok, and a lot of the time Twitter as well. But yeah, I've let this just go off the rails and be weird. So I want to thank you so much for watching. If for some reason that you think I'm cool or interesting or anything like that, if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here, please hit the subscribe button. It means the world to me, and I appreciate you so much. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!